Welcome to another video showcasing some of the most insane car crashes caught on camera. Some people should have never been allowed to drive, and you'll see exactly why in this video. Sit back and use this video as a lesson on exactly how not to drive. Always stay aware on the roads and look both ways. This blue car did none of those and ended up like this.
I'm gonna call it home. Don't get out.
Insanely unaware driver decided that they're turning around, and if you're in the way, then that's unlucky for you.
Easy! Fuck! What are you fucking doing? God, I'm so mad at people not paying the fuck attention!
This car speeds through a red light and gets exactly what they deserve. Red is red, you stop.
Honestly.
Another red light idiot causes a collision, but luckily the cops were just there and saw everything.
Holy.
Huge collision between three trucks as one of them suddenly brakes after swerving into the wall. Biker gets served with instant karma after playing a prank on the cops and then speeding away. Trying to overtake straight after a roundabout on a wet road will always most likely end like this situation did.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. That is good.
Marilyn Mosby, Baltimore State's attorney, started to give a statement to the dozens of TV cameras and microphones massed on the sidewalk outside the courthouse.
The public must know.
Yeah, they started working on it. Okay. I thought it was just something. I guess
truck is going way too fast. We'll get it.
The person behind clearly got distracted, most likely went on their phone at the stop and forgot to get off of it. Extremely close call. This driver took a quick illegal shortcut down a one-way street, nearly causing a crash. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. You gonna stop for these kids? Oh my god! Whoa! Absolute fucking knob fucking cobbler, dude. Absolute knob cobbler. Can't believe these freaking knob cobblers, man. Almost fucking.
This Jeep has the emotional intelligence of a 10-year-old. Being mature when driving is important.
No, it's the Camry
And
the Jeep. It's not this one here.
No, I saw a car speed up. Look at this. Look at. Oh, please tell me you got that on video.
I got that on video.
Look, now he's gonna cut in front of me. Ready?
Yep. I got it.
Again, more people focused on everything apart of what's in front of them.
No! Call mom. Fuck! I got in a wreck! I got rear-ended! What? I got rear-ended! I'm on Washington. Yeah, I'm okay.
Learning to stay in your lane is important. Of course, for some it's a challenge, but they will learn one day.
Oh shit! Somebody did.
Crazy swerving orange car causes a crash on the highway. Always check your mirrors. Close call as this driver decides to focus on the road ahead just in time to brake and avoid a collision. Reversing without looking in the rear mirror is a talent only idiots possess.